About 20 miles west of Tampa is this coastal city called Clearwater, Florida, and it's a barrier island with beautiful beaches and the clear water, hence the name. So there's definitely an abundance of hotels and different things to stay at, but we opted for an Airbnb. We found this really cool renovated motel called Monaco. They had a nice pool area. Each room kind of had its own theme. We were probably like a 3 to 5 minute walk from the beach. It's literally just one street over. If you're planning on visiting Clearwater, you definitely got to go to Pier 60. This is the place to be. This is like the hub of Clearwater. You'll often see street performers, artists showcasing their work, and even live music a lot of times. Be prepared to pay the hefty fee of $1 to get to the end of the pier, but it's definitely worth it. We seen this gorgeous sunset and we seen dolphins playing in the water. It was super awesome. Next on our list was Clearwater Marine Aquarium, which was popularized by the movie Dolphin Tale, featuring Winter the Dolphin. Got to see a lot of cool fish, a lot of dolphins doing tricks, riding surfboards. We even got a close-up look of staff feeding a sea turtle, which was awesome. One of my personal favorite things to see was the second floor view overlooking the marina and seeing the city skyline. And speaking of the city, it's extremely walkable. There's also a lot of trolleys and things like that, so public transportation's pretty good. But we actually decided to do something a whole lot cooler.
Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
Here.
We haven't had any turtle nests. I know you guys do keep a tab, but we haven't had any yet.
And And of course, no travel vlog can really be complete if we don't talk about food. First off, we went to Frenchy's Rockaway Grill. Super iconic place. I've heard a lot about it and we wanted to see if it lived up to the hype. We ate there not once, not twice, but at least 3 times. Every single time we had to get the crab fries appetizer. And for our entree, we got something different every time, and I'm pretty much convinced you can't go wrong with anything on the menu. The next spot did take a little bit of convincing because I'm a sushi lover, Jenna is not, but we went to Sekushi, I think is how you pronounce it. It is a sushi place. I loved it. Jenna, on the other hand, wasn't a big fan, but she's not a sushi lover, so just take my opinion for it. Another restaurant I really think that's worth mentioning is Clear Skies Café. This is kind of an upscale yet casual enough restaurant. We sat out on the balcony, had a beautiful view. We got calamari as an appetizer, and they have pretty much everything, a wide variety of food. So I again went with sushi, and Jenna got the pizza. We had such a good time between the beaches, the water, the food. This is definitely a place that we would both love to come back, and actually we're already planning our next trip out there. If you enjoyed the video, we ask that you please leave a like and subscribe, leave a comment, let us know where we should go next time or any recommendations.